Hi Taurians, welcome to your reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so take from it what you can and leave the rest for others. Time is fluid and the roles can be reversed. We already have quite a few cards for you. Alright, I'll take this. And if you'd like a free reading from me, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. That's where I go live and offer free readings. If you'd like to book a private reading from me, you can find my email ID in the description box below and send me a mail there. Also, do remember to that I am going to pick two people to offer free readings to through YouTube. So if you can leave your email ID in the comment box down below, you might receive a mail from me Sunday evening. Check your spam folder too. If you're selected, I'll send you a time and a date when we can have this private reading. So let's see what we're getting for you, Taurans. For Taurans, please. We already have some very important cards here for you, Taurans, and your reading has been very intense in the past few weeks. I feel like you are feeling a bit exhausted after the last few weeks of escapades, and now you want to either go inside or you so want a vacation. Let's see. You are also ready for new love, Taurians, and I feel with the Page of Cups, there is someone actually stepping into your life, or this is someone who's already come, and this could be more than one person coming into your life, Taurians. I remember in your past reading, which is available on my channel, if you can go ahead and see that, that's the end of your forecast, and also the one previous to that. I have been speaking about someone coming into your life, and I feel that this person is already around you. Okay, let's go a little further and see. Some of you are even thinking on the grounds of a marriage with this person or taking things forward. Wow. Okay. Or you are either trying that, or you are looking at reorganizing or looking at this relationship or working with this new relationship in a different way, which is spiritual growth. We also have the card of the Magician in your present. You are so ready. You have taken that time off from yourself, from your past, and now you're ready. I feel somewhere there there's a bit of reluctance is what I see, and you have a lot of fears in your heart. This is definitely coming to you from the past, and what you're going through in the present is, I can't say that this is complete healing taking place on you, but yes, you're getting there. And in your future position, we have the card of the release. So this you've got to let go of. Let me draw some more cards. I feel like you're feeling emotionally and physically burdened, financially, and you feel that it's too much going on with you all at once. What happened, Taurians? And with the card of the Hermit, remember I said that there was the card of the Four of Air, and here we have the card of Hermit. You have this in you that at the present moment you are in the energy of the Magician, you are manifesting. But I want to tell you that because you were not keeping a check on your vibrations, you are manifesting more of troubles or more of what you don't want to see. So the law of attraction says focus on what you want and not on what you don't. This is exactly what you're doing, rather the opposite of that. So you're focusing on emotional ill health, financial problems, and probably some of you there. I see a lot of fears here, but if you keep focusing on that, you are not going to be able to release all these to arrive at the position of Nine of Pentacles. I feel like it's a bit of a push and pull for you, kind of like somebody has to pull you out of this. But remember, everybody is going through some issue or the other of their own in this ascension phase that we're in, and you got to do this inner work yourself, Taurans. And I do not doubt that you will be able to do this, because I do see you going inside and looking for answers, and there you're able to move forward. You're definitely looking to learn from the past and go forward. Is here for me in the Two of Wands, and with the Six of Swords, I do not doubt what I'm saying. You're going to do all this inner work yourself, Taurans. Let's see what the universe has to say for you. Wow. We have the dragonfly spirit animal, and here it says, have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal, and connection to spirit. So you see, we already have the card of release, and along with that, you get the card of dragonfly. You are being asked to let it go because spirit is assisting you here. Yeah, you're definitely going through a renewal, and that's why you feel whether you want to stay in the past or you want to come out of it and become a part of the new. There's this push and pull feeling often. I like to call it the slingshot effect. And we also have the card of the devil from this universe. It says, take care immediately to avoid temptation and deceit. I feel this is you with all the past relationships. If you've been feeling about or if you've been thinking about going back to the old patterns, old people or relationships, there's nothing for you there. So know that you have to come out of that. And there's the card of the devil, which is clearly telling you resist this temptation, go inside, with the card of the hermit, and then that's where you begin to manifest. So if you can see that these are some pretty major messages coming forward for you. Let's draw you some card from the spirit for Taurans, please. I'm gonna take those. Not there are too many. For Taurans, please. Wow. So we'll take this, and okay. I have two very important cards for you. One is the card of listen. It says you have to be willing to listen if you want to really understand someone. Now is not the time to be offering advice, but to be a compassionate listener. And I feel this has got to do with you. You've got to listen to what you need, what you want in life from yourself instead of what you had. You can't keep going back to the past. To listen fully and intently means to pay attention, and not to just what's being said, but to what lies beneath the words. So guys, if you have been looking to get a clear guidance on what's happening around you when you are meditating, this knowledge is being given to you from the spirit side that way. Also, if you don't talk too much, or if you are willing to listen, others may be willing to reveal their truest intentions in front of you, and but that'll happen only when you're quiet. You'll be able to understand what they mean, what's the message behind the surface words. We also have the card of the ancestral wisdom. We are your ancestors and we love you. We walked the earth many years before you. We ask you at this point in time to learn and grow from our past experiences. Do you see here? I have been telling you, you can't go back to the past because you've got to learn from there and come here. And with the Two of Wands here, I know that you're going to do this inner work and come out. Taurans, you guys are strong. You guys have the resilience. You guys are fighters. I know you can do it. You are our legacy, and we will keep on helping you as we continue to evolve here in the spirit world. So Taurans, that's what I have for you. As you know, the veil is so thin between the two worlds right now, that when you go inside, you really want help from the higher realms. Just ask for it, and you will see the answers coming to you, probably sometimes so fast that you're asking for the question in the morning, the answer in the morning, and by evening you already have what you need. So I'm going to leave you there with that to do think about it. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already done that. And until we meet again, bye bye and stay safe.